For over 50 years, Maxus Energogaz Service Company has been making a significant contribution to the development of Uzbekistan's oil and gas industry. As a subsidiary of Uzbekneftgaz, Maxus Energogaz Joint Stock Company performs an important mission of ensuring uninterrupted, stable and efficient functioning of the national oil and gas industry. The company has 18 production units and more than 1,100 employees. These production facilities provide services to oil and gas enterprises throughout the entire territory of Uzbekistan. The core business areas of Maxus Energogaz are services and maintenance, engineering and consulting, construction and renovation, and manufacturing finished products using modern technologies. As part of its services business, the company specializes in commissioning, operation and maintenance of technological equipment, testing and repair of pipelines and tanks, automation of management systems, technological processes, as well as control and measuring devices. The company's engineering services include project management consulting, as well as drilling and workover process supervision. Maxus Energogaz has a unique experience in the construction and renovation of technological objects in fuel, energy, engineering, and communication infrastructure, including pipelines, power grids, gas distribution stations, and others. Also, as part of the country's localization program, Maxus Energogaz produces pipe insulation tape, Polylen, mobile firefighting unit, Hydromeg, and steam energy at its 4 production sites. The company is also making a significant contribution to the national oil and gas industry reforms. As part of transforming and expanding its operations, Maxus Energogaz has introduced new types of services, such as construction of new exploration and production wells, overhaul of oil and gas wells, comprehensive servicing of booster compressor stations and turbo expander units. The company is actively introducing corporate governance principles, key performance indicators, and international financial reporting standards, and making efforts to streamline its business processes and optimize the cost of services. Particular attention is paid to labor protection, health and safety of the company's employees, as well as to protecting the environment from the negative impact of production. As you can see, Maxus Energogaz is a dynamically growing, innovative and socially responsible company that can become your reliable partner on the energy market of Uzbekistan. Maxus Energogaz. Quality, reliability, innovation.